Hey guys, what's going on? This is Ray from CMA and you're back in the shop with me tonight. So what I'm doing tonight is I am digging into the Chevy pickup. In the last video I said it was 57. It's not a 57. It's a 53. So I'm digging into it. I've got the radiator out. Got a few other things off the front. And been a busy day for me because the bed's now off. And that was a bit of a project because the wooden bed is all the boards are old, so you got to be careful about taking them off. I had to cut a lot of the stuff. I had to heat up some of the stuff, so you got to be careful not to burn too much of the wood because I'm going to need all that wood to make templates for the new pieces later. So it's looking really good. I'm quite pleased with the way it's been coming out. The video I showed you the other day, here's the faux view of somebody's craftsmanship. Oh, love that. Love it, love it, love it. So, let me open the door here. I'm going to show you this other piece here. Woo! Look at that. It's straight through. Look at that. Love it. I love it. I love it. So, got a good bit amount of metal work to do. But, this is going to be a great project. I can't wait to start really digging in. The sheet metal work is going to be good. It's going to be fun. I'm going to see what's available. Finish tearing down the nose, take off the aprons, the radiator support, all the smaller things like the mirrors, door handles. Just get everything off, get it down to basic sheet metal so I can see exactly what I'm working with. And that's about it. So, ooh, here's my baby right there. Oh, hello. And she's in for the winter because the roads are all salty and nasty, and so she's in. So that's it. The inside's not too bad, but over here, I don't know if you can see. Over here, you can see that patch right here. Somebody did another nasty patch. You can see in the corners, maybe see in the corners, not on this side. It's definitely on this side. You can see daylight. So I've got a good bit of work to do. So I'm back and off and running to finish tearing the front of the truck apart. And that's it. Guys, have a great night. We'll talk to you soon.